Ndewo ndị be anyị, aha m bụ Adanna Gbanite. Onye anyị na-anọ tata bụ ezigbote akwa nwa gara njem tụrụ ugo lata. Onye na-ekwu maka ya bụ Dr. Ugochi Nwizu, the best graduating student from the Faculty of Dentistry in the University of Nigeria, Enugu campus. Doctor, you're welcome to the show.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
Nne biko kọwatụrụ anyị onwe gị ka anyị mara ebe isi, ka anyị mara onye bụ ọfụma.
Afam bụ Dr. Ugochi Nwizu. I'm a dentist. Just graduated as the best from University of Nigeria, Nsukka.
Hey.
I'm onye ozubulu Ekusigo na Ekusigo government area, Anambra State.
That's very impressive. Anụkwa m na ndị ozubulu na mama tata ejigo m anya m ebu a confirm ya tata. Nne biko kọwatụrụ anyị about your educational background. Kedu ebe ị ga primary school, kedu ebe ị ga secondary school?
Okay, I go my primary school na Nkisi Regent Primary School na Odinonicha. Then I broke my wood. Okay, I'm on Nonicheva Canto, so I'm on somehow. Then my secondary school, na Granville International Secondary School, Odinoba, Anambra State.
Eguzie University in Enugu State.
Yes, that's in Camp Anambra for a while.
So, ihe na-achịkọọla bụ na ịgụlụ akwụkwọ gị niile n'ala Igbo.
Agụ m n'ala Igbo.
Kọwatụla your experience n'ala Igbo.
My experience has been a beautiful one. I won't lie, yes, it's been a very good one. I mean, let me narrow it down to the university now. At least, from University of Nigeria, it's actually a very good school, with very trained lecturers and doctors, very good facilities. But then there is the same problem that applies to almost all the federal universities. Yeah, there's the problem of number. So Anna admits so many people, and the classrooms are not sometimes, the things like that. And then Enugu generally, we have a problem of water. So sometimes that one was also a problem. Okay, light as well too. So, but generally my experience was a beautiful one, and I'm grateful I came here.
Okay, Nebiko, what's your CGPA? Yes, CGPA Egypt.
Okay, I am CGPA, like the health side, that's Faculty of Medicine and Dentistry. And CGPA, our degree, the unclassified.
Okay. And what kọwatụla your experience? Kedu ka isi? Ama m na ịmụgidela anya abalị, anya asị, iweta ihe anụ a, ka o si dị?
Easy. Actually, most of what I did in school was study. That was the truth. But then I also wanted to do other things. So apart from, I think what helped me really was the mindset I had. I told myself that I can do this, and I worked for it here. So the fact I had a dream to go for the best student. So like he helped me keep going, yes. But then I also wanted to put myself out there. So I also entered leadership. So I'm the editor-in-chief of my faculty journal. Then I was the vice president of Federation of Catholic Medical and Dental Students. I was also the vice president of the National Scholarship Board for PECAMS Nigeria.
And I couldn't quite care.
So aside that, which I don't regret any of that, because I am like contacts, friendships that I really appreciate it today. So I think it's just about balance, finding that balance in school. You can still do all your academics and you can still do other things too, but just to be focused and find that balance and manage your time well.
Igbanika, we are extremely proud of you, and I'm an ndị Igbo niile dịkwa ezigbote proud of you. And I'm na ndị ezinụlọ gị ga-adịgodi oge iwetara asambodo a, kedu ka ha si nabata gị?
Obi dị ha so ụtọ. Yes, everybody was really happy and proud. Like my daddy, he carried the thing in his head. Shout out to my dad. So my siblings as well. Like everybody has been so proud and happy. So I thank God for that.
So since graduation and seeing that you came out as the best graduating student, have you been getting opportunities? Have there been opportunities knocking at your doorstep?
Well, just quite. Just a number. It's mostly been monetary. People have given me monetary rewards. Some people, but still looking out for opportunities like work or further study opportunities. I'm still hoping on that.
Okay, so what's the next thing now? Your next plan? What are you doing next? Are we expecting you to do something here, or is there a plan to relocate? Just call out.
So after I graduated like this, next thing will internship. So my housemanship 1 year. Then after that, to do a master's or to try to primary, just further studies generally.
So what advice do you have for our young people, the young people, seeing that a lot of people say, you go on social media and you're seeing people writing school na scam, school na scam. What advice do you have to give them to encourage them more to face their education?
Wait, I don't know. Are those not memes? Because I feel like people actually are in school, but they're writing school as scam. Things I'm trying like do not be deceived because some people put those things as memes. Like they're in school studying hard, though.
It's
But
not
they're
true.
putting-
A lot of people actually believe education is not all that. For instance, I don't mean to drag anybody. He studied economics, but see, so
Well, it's not like okay. What I have to say to those people that think that way, really, education is everything. I feel like it gives you an advantage. Yes,
Yeah.
of course, it puts you out there. We can actually do a lot of other things. You may end up not using the degree you studied in school, but it doesn't mean like it was a waste. Yeah, and that's one thing. One thing my father actually believes in. One thing he says to us, he's like, his sons can go and study courses that are not professional courses in quotes. Yeah, because they can enter business or do one thing or the other. But for his daughters, they have to be professionals. It's either you're
Exactly.
going into those professional courses because if you use that on in this uwu in the society, we a doctor, a lawyer, or an engineer, a pharmacist, or whatever. So like that's one thing he believes. And I'm actually like I agree with him in his direction, but not necessarily that it has to be women only. So even the men, if you have the opportunity and you can take your academics to the highest level, then why not do it?
nne nala aka ijigodi ya.
Thank you.
Daalụ o. Unu anụgo n'ihe Dr. Ugochi Nwizu were ikwu gbasara education. School is not scam. If you can, endeavor to get a certificate. Daalụ nụ, ka ọ dị mgbe ọzọ.